Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. God bless you all. Welcome to hm.techsolutions official YouTube channel. Today we are working on main unit of walkthrough metal detector gate. This is the gate of guard spirit walkthrough metal detector gate, and model is XYT2101A2. So we are working on this today, and before starting the video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, must press the bell icon to watch our videos. Now start the video without wasting the time. So the history of this gate is this gate was fall down in the rain and broken. This unit was broken, and now after the carpenter work, this is good. Now we install all the circuitry inside main unit and everything. I show you. Now this is the box, and we fix the main board here. At first we fix the power supply inside the main box. So this is the power supply of this unit. Like this is the power supply. We fix it this here. Yes, we fix this power supply here. These are the screws. These are the power supply screws, if you can see. So first we tight these two screws. Tight all the screws carefully, and one screw is here. So total 2 screws to fix the power supply unit. Now this is the sounder or speaker. You can so you fix here this sounder, long screws. You can see these screws are long. To fix this inside the box, now we tight all these 3 screws. So circuit was now okay, because we repaired earlier, and there was few problems in the main unit and keyboard section. So this is the main board of this main unit. You can see this is the main board. Now we fix this at here. Yes, these are small screws for this. You can tight carefully. this is the main unit of this walkthrough gate, and you can see this board was fixed with 4 screws, and now we have been tight all 4 screws. Now this is the speaker jack, and we put here on the main unit. So this point is for speaker. I told you this is a speaker, not a buzzer. This is a simple speaker, you can see. Now this is the keyboard unit. You can see here is 2 mention over it, because I have 3 same gate like this for repairing. So I mentioned over here number 2 to avoid mixing up each other. So this unit you can watch it carefully, because this is upside, put on the upside. I show you, just a moment, I show you. Look, and these are the points on the main unit. Now you put here, but before fix it, just watch, up button must be on the upside. So I put here and tight the screw here to fix this unit. You can see now this unit fixed with 4 screws. So we fix all 4 screw now. This is the third one. Now we have been tied all 4 screws of the keypad. Now what we do? This is the display unit. So this jack was broken, and I make this wire earlier, but make this wire carefully, because here you can see there is a more points, but at this side there are only 5 points. So you can carefully make this cable and connect all the wires on the right points. So we fix this display board. I show you where this can fix. You can fix all these boards easily in this box. So I show you this board. We fix here this board with 4 screws again. Oh yes, yes. Now I show you to fix these screws. Because this box was broken, so I think I can't fix all 4 screws here. Now I have tightened all the screws carefully. Now fix the jacks. This is the power jack. You plug in here on the first 2 points. First one is the positive and second one is the ground or negative. Now negative point. Now I fix this jack on the slot. Now I show you, this is the display board connector. Now we fix this connector at here. Press this. Yes. Now we put the data cables. So these are the data cables and this is a big one. Big one data cable is on the left side. So this slot is for the left side, and mostly people ask the left side and right side, where is the left? So I show you how you can judge which one is the right side and which one is the left. I show you. So the small, this data cable, you can put this one on the right side. So this connector is the right side connector. Now we tight the screw of both data cables. So now these screws has been tight. Now you fix these ties to hold these wires. This is the power source, put here. Now this is ready. Now what we do is because I show you you can see the sticker of main board. Now we paste here a new sticker. Before replacing this sticker, we put this unit down on the floor, and I show you how to change this sticker to overhaul this main unit. Now I have put down this unit and I show you how to replace and paste a new sticker on this unit. You can see this is the new sticker, but not the same. This is an other gate, not the same model, but this can be fixed because the display and the keypad unit is the same, but this sticker is not for this model, but this is an other model sticker. But you can fix this over here easily. You can see the display is clear in this, and the buttons are on the right positions. So start. Before pasting the sticker, just remove this paper. Remove this paper first. You can see now. Now carefully you can paste this. Just carefully. Now we have been pasted, and press this smoothly. Now you can press and make sure there is no bubble inside the sticker and the main unit. So this unit is ready now. Now I show you to switch on this. Switch on and show you how this works. Now I have switch on the main unit. Power is plug-in. Now push this button. This is on off button of this walkthrough gate. Push this for few seconds. Now you can see this walkthrough has been on. Now this is searching their side panels. Now showing message, left and right panels are not installed. Push this button. Now it shows 000. So this is the video of today. And this is the video of today. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and must press the bell icon to watch more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.